Hi there, Vinny from Project Frugal. This week we're going to talk about yams. Roast yams, delicious. Boiled yams, raw yams, maybe not raw yams. We grew some and harvested them. Let's check it out and see what we did. So for this we're going to need a bucket and we're going to need some sort of digging tool. These yams have been in here for quite a few months now. They're delicious roasted. They're also known as oca, A-O-C-A, I think it is, or some circles O-K-A. But let's dig them up, see what we've got. Really does a great job on the soil. So we got one little yam. All right. Oh yeah, we've got a swag here. We're going to have heaps. Oh, look at that big fat one. Yum. Good thing about yams is they'll dig into the soil and they'll improve your soil. And they grow like weeds, literally. Now not everyone likes them, but I love them roasted. They're delicious. Probably up there with potatoes is one of my favourite vegetables. So these yams have been in here all year, so essentially we pulled the last lot out and we just left a few little small ones in here, and this is what we got. So we've got a couple of potatoes as well, that's a bonus. Be too careful about it. So last time we probably got about maybe a litre of an ice cream container, so half an ice cream container, so not a lot. It was pretty much enough for one meal. This time we're going to get probably quite a bit more, I'd say. Yeah, these have gone real well. It's early July, it's the middle of winter in New Zealand. Pretty much most of the tops have died back. That's when you're supposed to harvest them, and you're supposed to let them dry out for a few days, which apparently increases the sweetness of them. These retail from anywhere from $8 to $12 in New Zealand during the peak season, which is roughly about now when everything's died back. Oh yeah, we got swags. This has gone real good. Just going to pick up everything we can, and all the little ones will get chucked back in, and we'll bury them, and hopefully this time next year we'll have a swag more. Hopefully we'll have even more.
But in the meantime, we can actually use this piece of garden to plant something else.
Oh, I wouldn't.
Some like a spinach or maybe some broccoli that gets harvested quite quickly.
Oh, this is a mega harvest compared with last year. It's amazing what a couple of years can do. There's a lot of microorganisms, spiders, and also, look, there's a big fat spider down there. Nice big fat spider. I'll leave him alone.
little bugs hopping around.
Oh look, this is getting worse. The deeper I go, I'm just picking up big fat ones.
It's cool.
Oh, look at that. Another big fatty. Another big fatty. Another fatty.
Wow.
I mean, if I dig down a little bit, there's more under there. Look, I missed this one. Look at the size of that.
Where do they hide?
Hiding from my
Whoa.
belly. Look, another couple of fatties. Some more decent ones. Oh,
Oh wow.
this is incredible.
Would you need to dig them all up, do you think?
No, I'm not going to dig them all up, but I'll...
Over the next day or so?
No, we'll just get all on the...
Because it's kind of like a natural storage
It is.
to leave them in.
But I'm going to eat all of these.
What? All of that?
It's my dinner
Well,
tonight.
I hope you're going to eat all of them, but not all at once.
Yeah, all at once. No point mucking around.
You're not eating all of it. That's just crazy. That's why they're best kept in some sort of contained growing area, because they do spread.
They grow like weeds.
Yeah, if they don't have a contained area like this is, they'll go everywhere. Which is what you do not want.
Unless you like yams. A lot of yams. And I do.
Oh yeah, but that's like 5 or 6 meals there now.
Oh, yeah. Gee, you wouldn't want to be doing this for 8 hours a day.
Or you'd probably be doing it on a different device. Maybe kneeling on something. Or probably you go along and dig them up or something with a machine.
Right, so the soil's not super deep. You can sort of tell where it gets a bit harder. But hopefully next year those yams will penetrate that. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. So here's the last of any little bits of yams, but we're going to leave a few in there.
Oh, we'll just put some back.
Once we've sorted them out, washed them, we'll put a whole bunch back in there. All the smallest ones, they'll grow. One over there.
So
Over there.
smooth this.
Look, this
Where?
over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And down there. By your foot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Another one down there. Another little one.
Okay, that'll do.
Right, so there we go. We've got just about 1 full bucket of yams, and there's probably 3 or 4 potatoes in there as well. That's pretty impressive after last year when we got literally half a 2-litre ice cream container full. So let's clean them up, see what they look like. We'll let them dry a bit first though. All good.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Okay, so here we are again. It's time to plant the yams that we had left over. So let's check it out. Hello, Zippy. What are you doing? What are you doing, Zippy? You're going to sit and watch, are you? Cool. So that's all the yams we had left. Almost a whole ice cream container full. So we're going to use the stick, this thing here, we're going to jab into the ground and poke the yams in. Come on, out the way, cat. You're in the road.
That's all there is to in harvesting yams. wait till the leaves die off, dig them all out, give them a wash. Any little tiny ones or malformed ones, basically just put them aside. Wash your good ones, your big fatties, leave them for 3 weeks, at least a couple of weeks anyway, before you cook them, because they'll sugar up and they'll be a lot sweeter and taste a lot better. We tried cooking them on the first night that we dug them up, but they were quite bland and tasteless. So the next time we tried, a few weeks later, absolutely delicious, just the same as you get in the shop. And just replant them back in. They grow like weeds. Let nature take its course, and you'll have a bumper harvest next time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Catch you later. Bye.